Welcome to another video and episode on my ESP32 right here. Internet of Things device. In my experiment yet without Internet of Things, but with LED buzzer, segment display, non-connected microphone, LCD, LDR hidden behind here. LDR stands for light dependent resistor. LED is, by the way, light emitting diode. Servo motor and keypad. The program is it is programmed using AVRC, which has its limitations because you can't program in Flash. You have to program in random access memory, which is volatile memory. So power off is memory gone, memory wiped, program gone. The last time I managed to fix the buzzer, so it's reconnected right here. I haven't yet reconnected everything for the segment display, so that won't work as much as I hoped. Doesn't really matter. Microphone should have worked, but the I/O pins where I intended to connect them are not supposed to be connected. Not by me anyway. Servo motor mostly works. LCD does work. And the keypad has my main intention. I want to find out what's going on. So I have with 4 rows and 4 columns, and contrary to what it is positioned like, it is column and row, and I've put oscilloscope probes to first column, first row, and fourth, to column 1 and 4, and to row 1 and 4. Oscilloscope is now set to a nice setting of 200 milliseconds, so and edge type, not pulse modulation, as I'm not measuring the pulse for the motor, but I'm measuring the pulses that are detected from the keypad. Then you can't see anything yet because I haven't uploaded, so let's change to software, upload, and see whatever happens. So, different view from the computer, view from the webcam, which I use for audio and on-screen video. Oscilloscope set to edge and all 4 attached. Serial monitor for whatever may come of it as output, and then AVRC. I intend to skip to, or to change to the software that I can use Flash, but Flash has its limitations in number of write activities, so as yet I stick to this. Then let's upload, compile and upload. This is verify, and this is upload, and I assume it will do correctly, which is not a given, because I have had, if you've seen the previous videos, there have been quite a few times when how that upload completely failed. Anyway, it is working. LCD is hardly visible, but I assure you it is working nicely. Let me see if I can show you. Still not visible. That's a bummer. No, still not. Because now there's 2 beeps, that's good. Microphone start, yeah, microphone is not active anymore. Motor should have worked by now. Haven't seen it working now. But keypad says now 3. Oh really? Right here, keypad says 3, that's a new one. It used to be only C that I see. Motor is doing nothing as far as I can tell. Keypad, no key. That is no surprise. So, let me press one of the keys and see whatever happens. So, I am pressing this one. Look at the oscilloscope. Okay, I have to press it, keep it pressed. But it is pulses only, so that's another thing. Oh, that may be the point. I may have to press it constantly. Oh, that's a good one. So it's pulse only, so I have to wait. I have to press it constantly and hope that it is registering something. Yeah, the motor is still doing nothing. No key. Okay, I have to, now that I know it's only pulses, I will have to change the algorithm. Thanks to the wisdom of the, thanks to the output of the oscilloscope. Where is the keypad? This is the keypad software, but not where I read the keypad. Servo. Here I read the keypad. So it detects the keypad for just one moment in time, and that has to change then. By the way, you can see here it is positive and positive, and I'm not pressing anything right now. So that's a strange thing as well. And this is not registering anything. Yeah, it does here. But it's only pulses. Pulse generating. So what I need to do is something like while key pressed, or while until key pressed, because I know from old-fashioned Pascal there was a wait until key pressed, and I think I'll try that here, but how to do it, that's another thing. Alright, I made a change to the keypad algorithm, leaving the settings in the initialization as they were, but I changed this into a while loop. So while key is equal to no key, then check if it is no key, then repeat no key or print no key. Otherwise, if a key is pressed, print the key and break out of the while. At least in my theory that should be working, so let's see if it is working. And alright, there it goes. Now wait for the algorithm to get stuck in the while loop. And I should have no key for quite a bit. But I don't have it. No key. There's no key involved here. Absolutely none. So, let me put this in here. And let me make this 2. As to make a difference. So, upload again. Keypad no key. Yeah, I know, but that was the whole thing that I wanted to see in the first place as a regular text. Apparently it was there. Alright. That is very nice all, but oh, yeah, why is that happening? I am pressing a key. But the point is, I should not hold it. I should keep pressing it. Otherwise, it won't do a thing. As I've learned now. Ah, look at this. Okay, so it is running, and so far, no matter which key I press, it should detect anything now. it goes into an endless loop now. I don't care. But what I do care about, oops, there goes the print, that's not good. This is much better. But you see that this is much different signal than this one. And right now I am looking at these two, because the light blue one is attached to column 1. Alright, now it is measuring nothing. So there is a problem with this one. Alright, now I maybe have to do the same with this one. So I have to probe. Alright. Now this is a key. And well, these are useless to probe, of course. And this is supposed to be column 1. Is that right? Yeah, column 1. This is indeed column 1. Except that this one doesn't do it. This one does, this one does, and this one does. But this one, which is obviously then column 1, doesn't do anything. Column 4, then this is column 4. Column 1, column 4. But as yet it doesn't register any key. So what is it registering from? That's another question. And that's this. So I have to look at this one. Alright, next step is actually after having verified all the pins are exactly what they are. So, and I'm talking then about this part right here. Are they indeed what they are? Yes, they are. So pins, these pins are the rows, these pins are the columns, and these and these respectively. So what to do, how to check apart from being registered to no key? Well, what I actually want to do is within this part read a key. Now that will be hard when I am outside the while, so I am going to change this a bit and put it not here, of course, rather than here, a bit lined up, though doesn't matter in C. So now when I press, and that is row 1, and by now I know this is row 1. Oh, you can't see what I'm doing. This is row 1, where this is row 4. So whenever I press anything here, that should turn up in the while. If this is being accepted, that is. We'll see. If this is not being... Oh, wait. That's a good one. That is a very good one, I just realized. Because if these are input pins, they need to be denoted as input pins. That is a point. So let me pin mode, and that was a problem last time as well. I have to use pin mode, like here. So, all right. Sometimes realizations tend to come later, but keypad, pin mode, 26 as input. I think I just tackled it. 4, 4, 4. So then this will be 33, 32 and 35, then 13, 12, 14 and 27. And the point is, only in AVRC you have to do this. Okay, now let's see whatever happens. And this will be a nice idea as well. Alright, so I am waiting for the keypad while to start. Although the point is that not every key has its output, as has proven. Okay, motor. Now soon, very soon, everything else should start. Alright. Please the while. Why don't I see a key? Oh, this is not what I anticipated on. Wait a minute. Where's my key? Here's my key. And I need this. So let me just, yeah, and this pressing, oh, see, it says 20, how can pin 26 be 1 when there's no pressing? and now I hold it and it is continuously pressed. Okay, things get stranger by the minute. So here I am pressing one key continuously. This one. And it is one pulse and that's it. One pulse. Nothing. And this should be something. Although this is no, this is something. This is clearly 26, but 26 keeps saying 1. Why? Okay, so since 26 keeps saying 1, I have to put the same thing for the other keys and see whatever they say. Because this is not good. Right. Copy. And this is for pin 33. 32. Makes 35. And that is 4 for the rows. Okay. Reading for columns. Then this is reading for rows. And 13 and 12. We're almost there. 14. And finally 27. Go. This is something really bizarre. And I think that's where we are. And although I am almost at half an hour for this video, I do go on for a little bit just to test all this. And I do not see keypad, but let's see whatever happens. Yep, there we go. And it says no key. Okay, let's skip auto scroll. So these are all giving 1 automatically. That is no good. And these, this is row 4. Row 4 up to column 1, 4, 3, 2, 1 gives 0. This is no good. Okay, where does it start? Can't even see where it starts, but anyway, If I take it that this is row 1 and this is column 1, then this should be a 0 with column 4, column 1, row 1, column 1, row 1 being 26 and 27. Okay, hold it. 26 and 27 being 1, which would be C. No, which would give 0. Now, which ones are 26 and 20? Well, these are 2 rows. In combination with 2 rows in combination with columns give nothing. This one in combination with 4 zeros give nothing. This one, which is row 3 in combination with zeros, gives nothing. So no wonder there are no keys being generated. In this case, if I press either one of the columns, let's take column 4 since that one is, oh, that's that one, yeah, that's right. And this one is just a pulse. How can this be? Okay. So whenever I do this, there should be, and I am pressing, then I am assuming column 1, there should be something else in. So let me just see. But it's going with it has no effect at all as far as I can see. It is the rows. So I should take the columns. Is this column? Yeah, this is column 1. It's the let me scroll back a bit. It goes very fast, and I don't like it that one is just being held. This doesn't work. This holds row 1. This holds, and this doesn't do a thing. It does do a thing. Just pressing one button and nothing. Okay, this needs further investigation, but time is up. Unfortunately. So anyway, it doesn't make any sense at all. And with this change in algorithm, well, things got a lot clearer, both on the negative and on the positive side. Yeah, I forgot to define pins, but then again, pressing the buttons finally gave some results which I did not expect at all. So, for now, thanks for watching. I hope it wasn't too boring. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion. Always appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. Please support by making a donation via either PayPal or Wired. And you can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. All information, including other projects, etc., etc., pictures and more videos, under this video, with URL of my website, etc. To be continued, obviously. Have a nice day and bye bye.